eNovativePiano organizes workbook assignments by due date, with pinned assignments at the top, followed by upcoming dates appearing in chronological order with an orange banner. When a due date passes, that date rotates to the bottom of the list, but in reverse chronological order, so users can see the most recently passed dates without excessive scrolling. The banner is now red. So, if you or your student scroll far enough, you will get from the yellow zone to the red zone. Remember, past dates scroll in reverse chronological order. What I like to do, so my students won't have to scroll down past all of the upcoming assignments, is to show only about a week's worth of dates. I hide everything that is past that point. You can hide a date by going to the eyeball icon and selecting Hide. I'm going to hide all of these. The assignments in the hidden dates are now grayed out in your workbook. When the student logs into the workbook, they won't see these hidden assignments. Let's see how that looks from the student's perspective. To view the workbook as a student, go to the Workbook toolbox and select View Workbook as Student. So now you see the pinned assignments at the top, followed by the assignments that you did not hide, followed immediately with the past dates. When I want to show more dates, I reveal them as needed. So I'm going to end preview mode by clicking on that eyeball icon. And I'm going to go back to the teacher's view. And to show more of these dates, the ones that are grayed out, because those are the ones that are hidden, I'm going to click on the eyeball icon again. Note the date was Thursday, October 15th. I'm going to show that one, and then I'm also going to show Tuesday, October 20th. That was the 15th and the 20th. Notice the assignments are no longer grayed out. So let's go back to the preview. View Workbook as Student. And the dates that I just showed, the 15th and the 20th, are now visible in the student's workbook, followed by the immediate past dates in reverse chronological order. To summarize, eNovativePiano organizes workbook assignments by due date. Pinned assignments always appear at the top of the list, followed by upcoming assignment dates in chronological order. An orange banner designates that a date is pinned or is upcoming. When a due date has passed, it rotates to the bottom of the list in reverse chronological order. A red banner designates that a date has passed. Calendar dates can be hidden from the student's workbook. The assignments and hidden dates appear grayed out in the teacher's workbook. Student or Preview View shows you how the workbook appears to the student.